Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by installing Contact Form 7 from the WordPress plugin screen. Click Install now and then click Activate to enable the plugin. Next, open WP Admin and go to Contact, then Contact Forms. You will see a default form listed there on the page. Click the form title to open the editor and view the form structure. Copy the displayed shortcode, such as Contact Form 7 ID equals 123 title equals Contact Form 1. Keep that shortcode ready for insertion into your pages. Open any form in the Contact Form 7 editor to customize fields and layout. Use the tag generator to add specific fields such as text, email, tel, and text area. Choose placeholders, default values, and set required fields with the required option. Arrange fields using line breaks and HTML if you need advanced layout control. Save the form after editing to preserve changes. Test the form by using the preview or embedding the shortcode on a draft page and submitting a test entry. Configure the Mail tab to define notification recipients and message content precisely. Set to and from using real addresses and include form tags like your name. Craft a clear subject and use the message body to include all form tags you need. For spam protection, enable reCAPTCHA or use Akismet and add the integration keys in Contact Integration. Embed the saved shortcode on a page, post, or widget where visitors can access it. Finally, submit a test and verify that notification emails.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.